trying something. Oh my god, why is it so damn hard? Tata. Like, I don't even know what that means. Oh, shit. My butt is swell. I think I need some tape over my mouth. In these types of games, I will swear because I rage. I rage. Not a good rage, a bad rage. Even tap. There we go. Much better. Now I don't have to deal with you people. Oh, let me on. Bish. Bish. Yeah, bish is not a swear word, is it now? But you can't. You know what? Yay. Oh, he's black. Black. What the hell is up with these little fences? Now, I'm not going to look at the comments because, bish! I'm famous, but let me in. What the what? This is just making my life worse. Amazing. I'm just a real rage, and I rage at everything. Yeah. This is so I have a friend named Savannah, and she's always so hard. What the hell? So what I like to say is the one with the Savannah, so I'm just going to keep it saying one because it works. The one with the Savannah.
You don't know.
The one with the... I remember this one time. I was raging so hard in this game. And she's like, what? Big girl. It's okay. You don't need to lose it. And so since we're like teenagers, I mean, I don't look like a teenager. I look like a small as fuck. I need some duct tape to shut my mouth. Because I've nearly swallowed like 5. Oh, new hobby. Shut me up. I don't trust this. I'm not sure why though. How is that dude already? What the hell? How was he so far? Shit. This is why I don't play games like that, because I wish... I will swear. And nobody likes when I swear. Better hide, check. I don't know what to play. Shimmer! Oh my god, my best friend, Shimmer. I'm gonna play the Vibe House. The Vibe Room, my friend. Lately, I I've been drinking. I want you to be happy. I want you to be happy. Oh, they've changed the vibe room. Because I remember the old vibe room. It was like this window shelf you could like sit on. Still is. But damn, I took some good pics. God. Oh my god. I think we're good. It's not glitchy. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.